Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look right here. And I'm just having a really great week. I don't know if it's because the weather in Cincinnati has been in the upper 70s. It's just been awesome. I feel like my skin is clear. Everything's just going great in my family, everything. I've just been having a really great week, and I just kind of wanted to come on here and show a little something that's a little bit more bright and vibrant and all that good stuff. So I did actually want to mention before I get the video started that I have partnered with Jord, and I'm so excited. They are wood watches. They are unique to pretty much everyone. They're great. I picked out the maple field crest one and I'm obsessed with it. It is so awesome. I'm not like a huge watch wearer, but I love theirs. So my giveaway is one lucky winner will win $100, and they can use the link that's below. I've also posted on my Instagram and my blog, which I will link below as well. One lucky winner will win $100 store credit off of any watch of their choosing. So when they enter to win, they get to pick a watch that they would like to win, and then they can get $100 off of it, or it will cover their entire purchase depending on the watch that they pick. You guys can also use code AL, Waychoff, WAYCHOFF, which I will link below, until the February 25th, and you guys can get $25 off your entire purchase at checkout. So I will link all those below. So go ahead and visit all those links. That way you guys can get you guys a brand new watch, and I absolutely love mine. Let me take it off so you guys can actually like view it a little bit better, but I absolutely love mine. Mine is freaking awesome. So pretty. Look at that. I love it. It's great. I can't say anything bad about it. It fits great, and Jord actually tailors the watch to you so that when you get it, it's ready to wear. So you size it yourself with a ruler, with like a paper ruler that they will send you via email, and you can print it out, and they will tailor the watch to your wrist, and it is just awesome. So if you guys are interested in that giveaway, I will link it below, and you guys should go and enter. February 25th is the cutoff day, so I will be posting an announcement of the winner, and hopefully it's you. Now let's get to the video, shall we? Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with some primer. This is my Marc Jacobs primer. Please excuse my nails, they look horrible. I haven't gotten them done in a little while, so I have just been doing them on my own just because I haven't really had a lot of time, and they come out like that. So it's fine, just ignore it. Okay, so for eyes today, I figured I just kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. Not really different, I guess, just different for me. So I'm going to go in with the Kylie Royal Peach palette, and I am going to be picking up for a transitional shade. I'm going to be picking up this color here, which is kind of like a peachy color. It's like an orangey peachy, but it's really light. So I'm just going to pick that up and use it as our transitional shade. Just dust that on really lightly. And so I'm just going to be using this as my crease color. And since we're not doing like a cut crease or anything today, our crease doesn't have to be extremely bold. We just kind of want it to say, you know, hey, I have a crease. I'm absolutely loving these shades recently. I don't know if it's because there's been a few warmer days here in Cincinnati or what, but I'm absolutely just loving all the peaches and the pinks, and just ever since I've done the Valentine's Day look, I've just been obsessed with any of the colors, with all the springtime summery colors. So I'm really excited for spring to get here. I just really can't wait. And then for an all over lid color, I'm going to be going in with this shade here. It's like a super pretty peachy color. And we're just going to take a fluffy brush and just go to town, since it doesn't really need to be detailed or anything. I just want it to be an all over lid color. Look at how pretty that is. It's like a little pretty pink peachy shade. that's all we're gonna do for our eyes, you know, other than eyeliner and stuff. We can't just leave it like this. So speaking of eyeliner, I'm going to go in with an oldie but goodie. This is my Tarteist double take liner. It actually is completely worn off because I use it so much. We're just gonna go in, it's just a precision liner, so we're gonna go in and make a wing. Now I am gonna be doing a little bit more of a bold wing today since our makeup is so light. So let's go ahead. Okay, so now that the scary part is over, let's go ahead and put on some mascara. I'm using my Lights Caramel Lashes mascara by Tarte. Nothing new there. Just putting on, just darkening our lashes a little bit. And then for some foundation, I'm going in with my Tarte Hybrid Empowered Foundation, and this is in the color of Light Neutral. Since I did get my spray tan recently, I am feeling good again, and I am feeling great because I can wear a lot of my darker foundations. And it's great because I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I turned off my lights in the back just because I just want to see if it really is if that's like goodness, I can't speak. If that is what is causing the orangey appearance to my face, because every time that I put on foundation, just like in front of my camera, or you know, just with the light on or something, or like when I'm off camera, I never have that, you know, orangey effect. So I'm not real sure what's going on, but I'm thinking that that's the reason why. I got a few new foundation brushes in the mail yesterday, and I haven't played with them too much yet. I swear it's like beauty blender or die for me. I don't know why I feel that way, because I really shouldn't, because there are other things out there, but I just, you know, I fell in love with the beauty blenders, and I feel like that's all that I use now. And then for some concealer, I am going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I use the color Light Neutral, and that does vary. It changes when I have a spray tan versus when I don't have a spray tan. Naturally it would. And then this is the part where if I need to straighten out my liner or anything, where I would do that. Guys, I just keep looking at my eyes and I'm obsessed with this peach color. I just love it so much. It's so pretty. Okay, so for a little bit of contour, I am going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal. Oh, that nail makes me want to cringe. With the LA Girl Pro Conceal, this is in the color of Toast. That'll be the next thing that I'm doing when I'm done filming, is my nails. I think I have a new freckle. You guys see that? It's right here. I mean, like, maybe not like on my armpit, maybe just that, but I think I have a new freckle. I swear, I'm always, like, people are like, how can you tell, like, the new freckles from the old freckles? And I'm like, I seriously know my body. Like, I swear, like, I just haven't, like, I know when I have new freckles, and it's so funny. You guys know I never contour my nose, so doing so is so weird for me. But I just figured, why not go all out and do full glam today? Sometimes you just have to have those days. Now let's set our under eyes with some setting powder. I'm using the infamous Sephora powder. This is just their translucent powder. If I could get it open. Okay, we are in business. I'm just going to lightly press this into my skin. Make sure I get it on both sides of my nose. Okay, so now let's swoop back into our eyes. So we're gonna grab our Kylie palette and we are just gonna go in with that light brown shade and just lightly dust it over our bottom lash. We're not gonna get too dramatic on the bottom, just because I want to keep it real, light, and airy. I'd be light and airy. Like, is that a thing? Because we're about to make it a thing, if it's not a thing. That is all for the palette. So now let's go in with some lashes. I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispies, and these are ones that I used to use like pretty much every single day, and then I kind of switched to the cluster ones, but I'm back on my bullshit and I'm back on this and I love it. And then once lashes are on and everything in the world is all good again, we then push our real lashes up against the fake ones just so there is no separation, and then kind of push them up and just kind of make them stand a little bit taller. And then just to kind of make my eyes appear a little bit bigger, I am going to be putting in a little bit more of white liner into my bottom lash and just kind of line that lower waterline, just because it just makes them look a little bit more open, bright, awake, whatever you want to call it. And then just some mascara. And then for a little bit of bronzer, I am going in with my Tarte Hotel Heiress and going in and just kind of warming up my face a little bit. Kind of carving out the face and just warming it up. Okay, and then let's go in with our BH Cosmetics Pink Perfection palette. And I'm going to be mixing this tone and this tone together. Are definitely doing the highlighter today just because this is such, like, I feel like it's just a summery and very inviting and warm and fun look that I definitely want to stand out and put a little bit of shine into my face. So I am going to be going in with my Jord Cosmetics setting spray, and this is the Mystified setting spray. I think that just went up my nose. So then for some highlighter, we are going to go in with my Argan Moonstone Drops, and that is here. Can you guys even see that? There we go. We're going to go, ooh, the nails look so bad. Please, nobody look at them. They're so bad. So we are going to go in with a little bit of these Moonstone Drops. And I am going to be applying it with my finger, blending it with a beauty blender. And that is the thing, if you guys are using a liquid highlighter and you guys are using a beauty blender ball to kind of dab it in, do not wipe, because if you wipe, it's going to kind of wipe all the product that you just put on your face away. So just kind of lightly press it into your skin and that'll definitely do the job. So for lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with my NYX liner in the color of Neutral. I'm sorry, Natural. My NYX Lingerie, and this is in the color of Satin Ribbon. Since I don't want them to really go matte, I kind of want this look to be a little bit more dewy. I do want to go in with my Buxom, and this is my Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the color of Abigail. So guys, this is the finished look. So if this is something that you guys liked, please do not forget to thumbs up and hit that bell for a subscription, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And a lot of you on Twitter were telling me that you guys had been recreating some of my looks, but let me know, you know, tag me on Instagram and show me on Twitter and show me, you know, drop a picture in the comments below, and I really want to see what you guys are creating out there. So yeah, so just let me know. So until next time.